The PHGR pump. It is a pump used to clean the oil of GR, and it will deliver the filtered oil into the GR. It is air driven oil pump. We have kits and special tools. This is the tools for overhauling of PHGR pump. These are all the must change items during the overhauling of PHGR pump. It is OEM make supply items either by REPL or AAL make. These are all serial number and year of manufacturing will be recorded during overhauling. So dismantling of PHGR. First we will assemble in the vise, which is specially made for PHGR. It will be bolted on the flange. Now we are removing the pipeline. The discarded washers are getting collected. Next, flange screw, special screw will be removed. Which is mounted on the sidewall housing. Then special screw of wall housing. Wall plates, compression spring, washers are getting collected. Now Allen screw will be removed from the cylinder. Now slotted HD screw is removing. Now dismantling of oil pump device. Circuit please removed. Compression spring and piston all will be removed. Screws are getting removed. Now wall housing is dismantled. Now sidewall housing is getting removed. compression spring, the pistons are getting removed. Now getting removed. Piston will be getting removed. Now middle piece is getting removed. Now all the old O-rings are getting removed. Plunger will be removed. And flange. Now cylinder and flange are getting removed. Now all the removed parts has to be cleaned with kerosene, and it should be properly blown before overhauling. Now all the sub-assembly components are getting cleaned with kerosene with a suitable brush. Air blowing after proper cleaning, and the air is getting blown. This item name is called piston. First we are making the piston, which will be provided inside the side valve housing. Now we are using cup seal for preparing the piston. It will be provided with a washer and a must change item of cup seal and a nut. Now we are going to assemble side valve housing. It is fitted with one piston, and first we are applying slight grease. And it will be properly lubricated. Free movement of piston is to be ensured. Next step, we are using compression spring along with valve plate. Now next step is assembling the middle piece. First we are using the O-ring, which is a must change item. The top of middle piece we are providing. Next, the mating point of side valve, that will be lubricated. The O-rings are getting lubricated and fitted. The small O-rings. Next, it will be matched with the side valve housing. Next, cylinder will be prepared for assembling. It will be lubricated. The plunger will be placed inside the cylinder. Now, Allen screw bolts will be fitted. The bolts are already provided with Teflon washer. This is how sidewall housing is matched with cylinder. The plunger, which will be reciprocate inside the cylinder, which will be assembled here. Cup seal and spacer. The brass piece is called spacer and cup seal. Now again one spacer and cup seal. Now it will be fixed by the bolt. Now we are preparing flange. For that we are using o-ring, which will be fitted above the cylinder. Now o-ring will be inserted. Now the plunger will be carefully inserted into the cylinder. Now flange will be fitted on the cylinder. Now valve housing assembling. Valve housing will be placed above the flange and it will be bolted with Allen screw bolts. Next, valve housing assembling. For that we need a fixture. It will be bolted with flange housing. Next, assembling of oil pump device. Now cup seal. Locking bolt complete will be inserted using the special tool and it will be screwed. Screw plug will be inserted into the sidewall housing. We are assembling piston along with cup seal for oil pump device. Now torque value of 2.5 we are giving for Allen screw bolts. Now we are providing HD screw, slotted HD screw along with copper washers. We are going to assemble valve housing. This is valve plate will be inserted and a compression spring will be provided along with a special screw. Now another valve plate, compression spring and a special screw will be provided. Along with copper washer. Now pipeline Before that, adapter should be, tightness should be ensured. Now pipeline will be provided with copper washer. This is a air pipeline. Now the piston, compression spring, and it will be mounted on the oil pump complete. Pistons are getting lubricated with grease. It should be inserted gently. The springs also has to be lubricated to avoid any friction. Now the device is arrested with circlip using a circlip plier. The freeness has to be ensured. Final step will be stroke adjusting screws fitment. Now overhauling is over. Now the pump is ready for testing. After testing for 1.5 hours, you can load it in the Loco.